Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really special for you. We're in the exclusive gated community of Nova Ridge at the Cliffs in South Summerlin, one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in all of Las Vegas. And right behind me is a stunning modern resale that just hit the market for $2,095,000. Nova Ridge is perched high in the cliffs, Summerlin South, giving you breathtaking desert mountain views, incredible sunsets, and total privacy. Homes here are designed in cutting-edge architecture styles, desert contemporary, mid-century modern, and modern Nevada by Tri-Point Homes. And the whole community is built around blending indoor luxury with outdoor living. Best part? You're tucked right against the Red Rock National Conservation Area, with top schools, parks, trails, and all the amenities of Summerlin just minutes away. And I have to say, as a former resident of Nova Ridge myself, I can personally recommend this community. The combination of privacy, stunning desert mountain views, and the lifestyle here is truly unmatched. Let's start the tour of this beautiful home. This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom residence with over 4,358 square feet of living space. And as you'll see, it perfectly combines sophistication and functionality. Right from the moment you step inside, you're greeted with soaring ceilings and an open layout that immediately draws your eye out to the mountains and the backyard retreat. Every detail in this home was designed for both comfort and style. So, let's take a closer look. Check out this gourmet kitchen. It's loaded with professional-grade appliances, custom cabinetry, and this massive quartz island that's ideal for hosting family and friends. Whether you're cooking a meal or just hanging out, this kitchen is truly the heart of the home. Right off the living room is a den with custom built-in bookshelves, perfect for a home office, reading nook, or study. Let's take a look at the backyard, because this home has one of the best outdoor setups you'll find. No neighbors directly behind means unmatched privacy. You've got a heated saltwater pool and spa, perfect for year-round use, plus a cozy fire pit with built-in seating. There's a covered patio with tile flooring, and the landscaping is designed to be low maintenance, so you can spend more time enjoying and less time working. Massive sliding doors create that seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living, a true desert oasis. Also, on the first floor, you've got a spacious bedroom with a large walk-in closet and full bathroom, plus direct access to a separate one-car garage. That makes it an ideal next-gen suite, guest room, or even a private office. Heading upstairs, the home continues to impress. Upstairs, you also find a loft area, a great space for a lounge, media room, or kids hangout spot. The primary suite is your private retreat with breathtaking mountain views right from the bedroom windows. The spa-like bathroom and oversized walk-in closet make it feel like a true luxury escape. The secondary bedrooms are all generously sized, and one of them even has its own ensuite bath with the city views. So that wraps up our tour of this incredible Nova Ridge home. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 4,300 square feet, and listed at $2,095,000. Between the private backyard oasis, sophisticated interior design, and prime location in one of Summerlin's most desirable communities, this home truly checks all the boxes. If you want more information or to schedule a private showing, reach out to me today. And as always, if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour.